Hello everyone, I'm here with a short video on the vowel sounds. As we all know that in English alphabet there are 26 letters, right? And out of 26 letters there are 5 vowels and 21 are the consonants, right? So in this video I'm going to tell you all about the vowel sound, okay? That is A, E, I, O, U, and in vowel sound there are two sounds, that is one is short vowel sound and one is long vowel sound, okay? So as you can see here, the short vowel sound, these are the symbols for the short vowel sounds and these are the symbols for the long vowel sounds, as you can see here, right? And as we all know that the short vowel sounds are a, e, o, R, right? And the long vowel sound is as the name of the letter itself, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and these are the rules for the short vowel sound, that is when there is 3-letter word like CVC, it takes short vowel sound, okay? And long vowel sound when there is 2 vowels in a word. When there's 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel makes the long vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, anything, and second one becomes silent. Understood? So basically, long vowel sound is a vowel sound that is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. That means A, E, I, O, U. Now I'm going to show you all, give you all the example of short vowel sound, okay? For example, short vowel sound, you can write cat, bag, pen, bun, pot, bin. Okay, so you can see here there are only one vowels in this particular word, right? So there's one vowel here, one vowel, one in each, right? So that's why it makes short vowel sound. A, k at cat, b at bag, p and pen, b on bun, p ot pot, b in bin. Got it? Now moving on to the long vowel sound. So I'll give you some examples of the long vowel sound. Can be ape, eagle, pain, rope, easel, can be ice, and what else? Boat. Okay, so these are just some of the examples for the long vowel sound I'm going to tell you all. So as you can see here, there are more than one vowels, right? A and E, both are vowels. So when there is 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel makes the long vowel sound. So this will make the long vowel sound. So the long vowel sound of A is the name itself, the letter A itself, right? And the second vowel remains silent, so this will remain silent and this will say the long sound, make the long sound, okay? So that's why it will become ape. So moving on to eagle, so this will make the long sound and this will remain silent, so that's why it's eagle, it's not aggle, okay? So it's eagle. So as you can see here, there are 3 vowels, right? But it doesn't make any difference, even this will also remain silent. Even if you hide this E, you can still read eagle, right? Eagle. So moving on to pain, A and I. So the first one will say the long sound and the second will remain silent. That's why it will become pain, okay? And moving on to rope, this will say the long sound and this will remain silent. Rope, again easel. So the first one will make the long sound and the second will remain silent. And again this will also remain silent because even if you hide this E, we can still read easel, right? So moving on to ice, the first one will make the sound and the second will remain silent. Ice, boat. First one will make the sound and the second will remain silent. So these are some of the rules for the short vowel sounds and the long vowel sounds. Okay, I hope you all are clear. Thank you.